all, namaste to everyone. Myself, Kumar Provat Roy, who standard 6. I'm from Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya in Jong, here to narrate my favorite form of literature, and it is poetry. Poetry is a form of expression. Writing it let us get our feelings and thoughts on a subject, while reading it encourages us to connect and find meaning in our experiences. Poetry can have a positive impact on social and emotional learning of children. It may offer us a new way of thinking about something. Poetry, the highest the highest form of literature, influences us because it shows different shades of human being. In fact, poetry is one of the most ancient art and also the product of human imagination. It expresses different feelings such as friendship, love, death, and other human emotions. In literature, poetry stands first even today because poetry has such power to influence this world. Poetry still dominates other forms of literature such as novel, drama, short story, etc. Poetry is taught in school and colleges all over the world. All over the world. The reason is that poetry can tap emotions of students and their power of imagination. Poetry has a special place in English literature rather than other forms. Poetry is my favorite because I'm reading poem from class 1. Every teacher, either English or Hindi, encourage all the children to participate in poem recitation and other competition. From here, my English speaking was also started. So I even suggest everyone to read poem. That will help in understanding and appreciating the world around us. Thank you.